Welcome to Behind the Lens, your ultimate source for in-depth photography reviews, expert insights, and hands-on guides to mastering the art of capturing the world. Whether you're a beginner looking to understand the basics or a seasoned photographer searching for the best gear and techniques, we've got you covered. Here, we break down the history, technology, and creative process behind every shot, helping you take your skills to the next level. Get ready to explore the world of photography from a whole new perspective. Now, let's dive into the latest DJI cameras and drones that have photographers and filmmakers eagerly waiting. From compact travel-friendly drones to high-end professional cameras, DJI continues to set new standards in aerial and action photography. The DJI Flip is one of the most anticipated drones, expected to redefine ultra-compact aerial photography. Weighing just 249 grams, it features a unique foldable design, making it highly portable for content creators on the go. Equipped with a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, it can shoot stunning 4K video and capture for 8MP photos. Built-in propeller guards and advanced obstacle avoidance technology ensure safe flying, even in tight spaces. With an estimated flight time of 30 minutes and intelligent shooting modes like hyperlapse and master shots, the Flip is set to be a game-changer for casual and travel photographers. For professionals, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be a powerhouse in aerial photography. Expected in April 2025, this drone is rumored to feature a triple camera system with 24mm, 70mm or 50mm, and 166mm focal lengths, giving creators unparalleled versatility in framing their shots. One of its standout features is the ability to tilt the camera both upwards and downwards, allowing for creative angles. With a flight time of up to 52 minutes and improved OQ-Sync for transmission for better connectivity, the Mavic 4 Pro will likely be one of the best options for serious drone operators. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to continue the mini-series legacy of packing pro-level features into a lightweight, sub-250 grams frame. Rumors suggest it will have a larger 1-inch sensor for improved low-light performance and the introduction of LiDAR sensors for even better obstacle avoidance. Despite its compact size, it's anticipated to offer extended flight time and enhanced AI tracking, making it a top choice for vloggers, travelers, and casual drone enthusiasts who want professional-grade quality without the bulk. DJI is also making strides in the action camera market. The Osmo Action 6 is expected to feature two battery versions, one standard and one high capacity, offering extended recording time. While details remain scarce, improvements in resolution, stabilization, and low-light capabilities are expected. Additionally, the rumored Osmo 360 could mark DJI's entry into the world of 360-degree cameras, possibly competing with the Insta360X4. On the industrial side, the DJI Matrix 400A is being developed for heavy lift operations. This high-capacity drone will cater to industries like infrastructure inspection, agriculture, and search and rescue. With a powerful 20,250 mAh battery and the ability to carry payloads of up to 9 kilograms, this drone is designed for professionals who need reliable aerial support for demanding tasks. DJI's upcoming lineup showcases its commitment to innovation, whether for everyday creators, professional filmmakers, or industrial applications. With advancements in camera technology, flight stability, and intelligent features, these new releases are sure to elevate what's possible in aerial and action photography. Stay tuned to Behind the Lens for more updates, reviews, and deep dives into the latest gear from DJI and beyond.